Homeowners in Dallas understand how the area's unique climate, marked by hot summers and cooler winters, can impact both comfort and energy costs. If you're looking for a smart home improvement project that boosts efficiency and comfort while reducing expenses, installing energy-efficient windows is an excellent choice. Here are some key benefits of upgrading your home with energy-efficient windows. Lower energy bills. One of the most significant benefits of energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy costs. Older, single-pane or inefficient windows can cause heat to enter or escape your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation, such as multiple panes, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and gas fills between panes, all of which minimize heat transfer. By keeping conditioned air inside and blocking unwanted outdoor temperatures, you can see a noticeable decrease in your energy bills year-round. Enhanced comfort and temperature regulation. Dallas residents are all too familiar with intense heat during the summer months. Energy-efficient windows help keep your home cool by reducing the amount of heat that enters through the glass. This leads to more consistent indoor temperatures, reducing hot spots and drafts that make your living spaces uncomfortable. In winter, energy-efficient windows help retain warmth, ensuring a cozy atmosphere regardless of what's happening outside. Improved indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows often come with advanced seals and frames that prevent air leakage. This tight seal not only improves temperature control but also helps reduce outdoor pollutants, allergens, and dust from entering your home. For families in Dallas, where pollen and air quality can be a concern, this can lead to a healthier living environment. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows to energy-efficient models is a smart investment that can increase your home's resale value. Potential buyers recognize and appreciate homes with energy-saving features, and new windows are often a key selling point. This upgrade can make your property stand out in a competitive Dallas market, giving you an edge over similar homes without modern, energy-efficient features. Protection from UV rays. Energy-efficient windows often come with low-E glass coatings that block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays from the sun. UV rays can cause fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, carpets, and artwork over time. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can protect your interior furnishings from sun damage while still enjoying plenty of natural light. This protective feature helps extend the life of your home's decor and reduces the need for costly replacements. Noise reduction. Living in a bustling city like Dallas often means dealing with street noise, construction, and other disturbances. Energy-efficient windows with double or triple panes provide excellent noise insulation, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This added noise reduction is especially beneficial if you live near busy roads, schools, or commercial areas. Environmentally friendly. By reducing energy consumption in your home, you're also lowering your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows help decrease the demand for electricity, much of which is generated from non-renewable sources. By making your home more energy efficient, you contribute to a more sustainable future while enjoying lower energy costs and improved comfort. Long-term durability. Energy-efficient windows are built with modern materials and technology that make them more durable and long-lasting than older models. They are often resistant to condensation, warping, and weather damage, making them an ideal choice for Dallas's fluctuating climate conditions. This durability means fewer repairs and replacements over time, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Potential tax incentives and rebates. Depending on local, state, or federal programs, installing energy-efficient windows may make you eligible for tax credits or rebates. These incentives can help offset the initial cost of the upgrade, making energy-efficient window replacement even more cost-effective. Be sure to check with local utility companies or government programs to see what savings might be available. Better aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient windows come in a wide range of styles, frames, and finishes, allowing you to enhance your home's curb appeal. You can choose from various window designs that complement your home's architecture and improve its overall aesthetic. New windows can give your home a fresh, modern appearance while also providing functional benefits. Conclusion. Installing energy-efficient windows in your Dallas home is an investment that pays off in numerous ways, from lower energy bills and improved comfort to increased home value and noise reduction. By upgrading your windows, you're not only enhancing the look and feel of your home but also making a positive impact on the environment. With the combination of energy savings, potential incentives, and long-lasting durability, energy-efficient windows are a smart choice for any homeowner looking to boost comfort, efficiency, and sustainability.